Thinking about moving but unsure if Bekins Van Lines is the right choice? Don't worry. There are plenty of alternatives that might fit your needs better, whether it's for cost, service, or flexibility. Today, I'll break down top alternatives and tips so you can make your move easier and stress-free. The first thing to look at is pricing and transparency. Make sure the moving company clearly explains their rates and any extra fees. Then, check online reviews from real customers. A company with great reviews and open communication is usually easier to work with and less stressful during your move. Sometimes smaller regional movers can give you more personalized service than big national brands. They know the area, handle furniture carefully, and can often be more flexible with scheduling. Don't discount local movers when comparing options to Bekins Van Lines. If you want to save time and effort, check if the company offers full-service moves. That includes packing, loading, transporting, and unloading. Some alternatives to Bekins Van Lines provide these services for the same cost or even less, making your move much smoother. So, if you're looking for alternatives to Bekins Van Lines, focus on transparency, reviews, regional movers, and full-service options. There are plenty of reliable choices that can make your move easier and less stressful. Click the link below to explore your options and get a free quote from 3 movers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical moving tips.